So guys, this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So yesterday we did analysis on this GBP JPY, and day before yesterday we also did analysis on this GBP JPY, and we said something then yesterday and day before yesterday that we did this. We said that guess what markets will do to continue to give us that bullish move. So now this was the movement for day before yesterday that we predicted. You can see that markets open and close bullish. Now this was also the prediction that we did yesterday. Markets eventually open and close. So for this Wednesday also, we are going to be anticipating for the bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why if you are not yet in, you should go in for the buy because what GBPJPY will continue the move. So we are very much clearly a bullish move. Now guys, take a look at it. This is the overall movement on this is the overall movement. We are in an uptrend. So clearly market is literally trending to the upside. Now if you have to zoom it in right here guys. So there is a double bottom right here. Multiple rejection, which means market to push up. Now, markets eventually give us a pullback. Markets eventually push up one more time to form a new high. Now, here comes the higher low right here. This is higher low, which formed a double bottom right here. This higher low did give us a double bottom. Now, markets eventually push up again, and it took out this previous high, right? So we can see that it took out this previous. So our next movement on GBPJPY will be pullback, which is higher low. So on this GBPJPY, we should be anticipating for an higher low, which is a pullback. So once it gives you the higher low, which is a book, and then now anticipate for one more movement upside again, that will eventually take out this high, also this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So what I'm trying to say is that a bullish move is what we'll be expecting for the day on GBP. Now, could there be any changes to this prediction? Yes, there will. Know that our market is very flexible. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll give you guys the update and I'll let you guys to know. So subscribe in order for us to